Hello, I am Alejandro, and this is
Nikki
and Alexander.
We are in 7th and 6th grade, and we go to James Denman Middle School. We have been working on this project for 4 weeks. We have researched insects for those 4 weeks, and our group name is Science Action Club Insect Group. We research insects to see how they affect our benefit gardens.
Hi, I'm Nikki, and we have been researching beneficial insects for our gardens. The top 10 beneficial bugs are green lacewings, praying mantises, assassin bugs, minute pirate bugs, damsel bugs, ground beetles, predatory stink bugs, big-eyed bugs, ciphered flies, and especially ladybugs. These bugs are all important because they eat pesky insects like aphids. The only things we've seen in our garden are ladybugs and earwigs and worms.
Hi, I am Alexander, and it's important that we learn about bugs because we know which bugs can benefit our plants like bees and ladybugs. It's also good to know which bugs can harm our plants like aphids.
Thank you and good night.